Hello guys, welcome to WhatsApp tutorial series. Here we are discuss a new connector which is Shopify connector. So in which we are integrating these few services of Shopify in Odoo. So I just installed the Shopify connector in Odoo. So we have few menu options. The first one is the credentials. So I already opened the credential menu. So and I created a credential record. So in this connector you have a support of multiple accounts that you can use in Odoo. So you just need to provide the site URL, okay, and few of APIs key and secret information, okay. So after that you can create more than one record of Shopify account. So the next one we are moved to connector later on. So currently we have customer, product and invoice, or you can say order service, and you can specify the Shopify store ID that we are created earlier. So currently there is a one option that visualize, and after if you are added multiple stores you can see multiple option here, okay. So also you can define the time date filter accordingly, okay. So we start with the customer. So I am going to create some of contacts, okay, that will export it to the Shopify, and after test of that we are going to import from Shopify as well. So I am going to contacts, and you can see I already created few contacts to save the time, okay. And I am going to export those contacts to Shopify. So I go to connector and select the export, and I select the Shopify store and adjust the time late filter, okay. So after that you I just simply click the sync button. So it will synchronize the process, and so I am going to my Shopify account. So I already have login. So go to the customers. So as you can see the contacts are successfully exported to Shopify, okay. So here I create a new one and put some of dummy data. And I am going to save the contact. So the contact is successfully created successfully. So I am going to import that in Odoo. So I just uncheck the export and check the import, and just simply click the sync button. So the process is completed successfully. So I am going to check in my so as you can see the contact is successfully imported in Odoo. So the poll taken that I created in Shopify, Okay, so as you can see, the both operations, import and export, works perfectly. Okay, so we are going to move forward to the next service, or you can say the component of Shopify. So the next one is the products. Okay, so this service has also the two options like import and export. So first we have to create some of the product in Odoo. So I'm going to go in invoicing. Customer and products. So it will take few seconds while loading the contents. So as you can see, I already created some of the products. Okay, so I'm going to export these products in Shopify. Okay, so I can edit, visualize the product detail. Okay, you can see that. So I'm going to go Shopify connector. And select the option export and select the Shopify store and adjust the time limit. You can say time date filter. Okay, and just simply click the export button or sync button. So the process is being started and take few seconds, and the process is completed successfully, and I'm going to check in Shopify account. So here is the products. Okay, and you can see the all the products successfully exported from Odoo to Shopify. Okay, so after that I am going to create a new product that will be imported in Odoo. So I just add some of the dummy data information. You can specify the other stuff, but I'm just going to add some of the sample information. So after I'm going to save the product. Okay, so the product is added successfully. I think I have to activate also them. Active, and I add some of the stock value. Okay, so I made some of few changes in the product. Okay, so I'm going to import that product in Odoo. So I just simply click the sync button. So process is completed successfully. So I'm going to go products to check out whether the product are imported successfully or not. So I already open in a new tab. Okay, so you can see the iPad 2221 is successfully imported in Odoo. So both operations works perfectly. So I'm going to move the last one, that is order. So in order service we have only one option, that is import. So you just import all the orders from Shopify, import into Odoo. Okay, so I just simply uncheck the product option and select the import. Okay, and adjust the date time filter. So I'm going to add the date. So just simply click the sync button. So the process will take few seconds of time. So process is completed successfully. So I'm going to check the invoices in Odoo. So I'm going to go invoicing, customer, and select the invoices. Okay, so the invoices are successfully imported. As you can see, I verify from the Shopify account as well. So I'm going to Shopify account, click on orders. So as you can see the invoices. Okay, so these invoices are successfully imported in Odoo. Okay, so here all the functions that we are covering in Shopify connector in Odoo. Happy to use Shopify Connect. Bye.